Are you thinking about selling your house on your own as a for sale by owner? Yeah, maybe we want to talk about that. Hey, thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker here in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area along the Florida Suncoast. I hope my little 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions. Please hit the subscribe button, subscribe below, and get to know the market on the Florida Suncoast. That's how you get your best deal. So, if you're thinking about selling your house on your own as a for sale by owner, we might want to talk about that a little bit. Going that route means shouldering a lot of responsibilities by yourself, and if you're not an expert, that can very quickly become overwhelming. I know some realtors that aren't experts, and it's overwhelming for them. Research shows two of the biggest challenges you'll face are, one, dealing with price, and two, the paperwork and the logistics. Getting the price right is number one. Important. That's because it can be harder to sell if you're priced too high. It's also harder to sell if you're priced too low. I know that sounds weird, but it's true. There are 5 pricing tools I use to get your best deal anytime in any market, and I have videos below on each one of those tools. There's also a lot of paperwork and regulations. When you're not an expert, dealing with all that can be very risky. A mistake can cost you legal issues, delays, or worse, a canceled contract. My advice is, don't take all that on by yourself. Let me help you with the details. Let me do all the heavy lifting and all the paperwork and making sure you get your best deal. I promise you I'll earn every penny of my little bitty commission. Finally, if you're thinking about selling a home on the Florida Suncoast, the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area, on or near the beaches, hit the button, subscribe to our channel below, and get to know the market. When you know the market, you know the answer. You get your best deal every time. And it makes it kind of fun. Your home's estimated value, pretty easy, 24/7 on a website I've had for over 20 years. It's called whatismyhomereallyworth.com.